So let's just put in here the categories. Within income category, we have wages, and we have, let's assume we receive some dividend income, so dividend, and we also want to put in a line for total amount. Then we want to create subcategories for expenses, so we will have rent, we have food, tuition, books, entertainment, car payment, gas. You gotta have gas money. I have a spelling error here. Okay. Miscellaneous, and we want to have a total. And here we are with all of the categories now created for us, and we are ready to go. Let me just move this little thing so that you don't have to see that. And we also want on a line 19, we want to create a net amount line so that we can input that as well. Okay, so we have the general structure, and this is now an area where we can start inputting the data. And Excel is very powerful when you want to do calculations, but in order to do calculations, obviously we have to input the actual data itself. And it's as simple as the text we were just inputting. You would just select the cell that you want to put in the numbers, and it's important to know if you put something other than numbers or some kind of other character like space or something like that, or a letter, it's going to treat it as, the Excel is going to treat it as text and not as numbers, and which is going to greatly limit your ability to do some of the calculations. So as long as you do it on purpose, then you're okay, but you have to be careful. So let's just do the data input. So in the first line, we're going to put 1,417 and 12 cents. And let's assume that our wages are, and mostly they are, kind of consistent. We will use the fill and just fill it all in. And then you will put in the rest of the numbers that you will see in my video.